Greetings. A company from Georgia will start selling drones of its own production. These aircraft can stay in the air for up to 6 hours. They can be used both for reconnaissance purposes and for the prevention and response to forest fires. The Yerevan-Batumi-Yerevan train will start running from June 14 with a frequency of once every 2 days. The resort of Ureki on the Black Sea coast of Georgia, known for its magnetic sands, is ready to receive vacationers. 3D lighting has been launched on the Martvili Canyon and the Okatse waterfall, and now, the natural reserves of Georgia can be visited at night. From January 1, 2024 in Georgia, only citizens of the country will be able to use the services of surrogate motherhood so that this business does not turn into a business. Georgian chess player Anastasia Kirtadze won the world championship in rapid chess and blitz, and in April she became the world champion among girls under 15 years old. Veteran Georgian judokas won 18 medals at the European Championships in Slovenia. Georgian football player of the Italian club Napoli Kvaratskhelia was recognized as the best young player of the Champions League. Yesterday, June 12, Russia celebrated a public holiday, the Day of Russia. Former Italian Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi has died at the age of 86. MU's Kingdom of Heaven. American actor and director Sean Penn, in early August, will start filming a documentary about Georgian fighters who are fighting on the side of Ukraine against Russian aggression. The director is well acquainted with the Georgian Legion. He has already spoken to Georgian fighters in Ukraine. On June 10, Sean Penn, in his speech in Tbilisi, stated that there is no Ukraine without Georgia, and vice versa. Oscar-winning actor and American director Sean Penn founded a fund to help Ukraine. Good luck to all of you.